Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your Bitcoin from one exchange to another. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Bitcoin from Exmo to Kucoin. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to stay safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Exmo and Kucoin, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication, 2FA, on both for added security. This step is crucial to protect your assets from potential hacks. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Funds section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin and click on the Withdraw button. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. This is where you paste your Kucoin Bitcoin deposit address. To get that address, quickly log into your Kucoin account, go to the Assets or Deposit section, select Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address provided. Make sure it's the correct network. Typically Bitcoin uses the BTC network, so there's no mix-up. Back on Exmo, paste the Kucoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, and review any fees. Exmo might charge a small withdrawal fee, so check that beforehand to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and complete the 2FA verification if prompted. Now, sit tight. Bitcoin transactions usually take 10 to 30 minutes to confirm on the blockchain, but it can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Head over to Kucoin and refresh your wallet to see when the funds arrive. A quick tip. Always use the exact wallet address and double-check for typos, as that could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place forever. Also, keep an eye on gas fees or network updates, as crypto evolves rapidly. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now on its way from Exmo to Kucoin. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.